It was very running. One day it was very running. Was feeling very hungry. No food, no yard, and Puss here and there. And here and there. Puss see parrot. Puss parrot. Parrot sitting on tree. Puss parrot. Mr. Parrot, you feeling very content? Very well. You song very well. Please sing for me. Parrot very happy. Parrot say yes. La la la, dum de dum.
से कौन
La la la, dum de dum. Puss say, I'm not here.
I can't hear.
Puss say,
I can't hear your song.
I can't hear your song. Puss say, you come for me. Parrot say, no, you eat me up.
You can come for me. You come near me.
Parrot say, no, you eat me up. Puss say, no, I'm old cat. I'm not it. Parrot very happy. Come for Puss.
Come near Puss.
Come near Puss.
पुष्पा को आसला तापरे पुष्प कौन गला
Puss jump on the parrot. Puss say, I made you. Ha ha ha. Parrot say, you good cat. You wash your hand and face. All cat do. Puss say, okay. I'm fast wash and face. You see. And Parrot say, no, I'm not wait for you. I'm going. Bye, Puss.